Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. Alright guys, before I start sa ating tutorial today, I would like to say thank you to all of you for the like, good comment, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Alright guys, today's vlog is about bakit nga ba nadi-disable ang ating account sa YouTube channel. So, ito po yung vlog natin is about disable sa channel natin. Bakit na-disable? So, based on my experience sa channel ko, na-disable before ang aking account. So, bakit nga ba na-disable ang aking account? So, this is the tutorial sa mga katulad ko na naka-experience din bakit na-disable ang account natin. Simply because dahil sa requirements ni YouTube or yung may policy si YouTube na bawal o si Google AdSense and then YouTube bawal gumamit ng two accounts sa pag-sign up sa Google AdSense. So that's why na-disable ang aking YouTube channel. So before that, nagkaroon po ako ng disabled account, but so far soon ituro ko rin po sa inyo kung paano natin na-resolve yung ating disabled account. So yun nga po, bakit na-disable ang ating account guys is to have another account. So we allowed one account to sign up in Google AdSense. So that's it guys. Para hindi po tayo ma-disable ang ating account, kailangan lang po natin gumamit ng isang account. Yung account po natin na naka-sign up sa YouTube, yun din po ang isa-sign up natin sa Google AdSense. So, it's been connected guys. So, yung account nyo na ginamit nyo sa YouTube, and then yun din po yung gagamitin nyo pang-apply sa Google AdSense. So, yun po yung dahilan bakit mabilis din ma-approve o hindi na-disable ang ating account. But in my case guys, ay na-disable ang aking account kasi I use another account. Wala pa kasi akong idea na pwede pala na hindi pala pwede yon gumamit ng isang account. So I decided na one account lang pala nga pwede gamitin kasi before I tried to use another account and I forgot what is the email ad and then the password, so it's hard to fix what is another account to cancel. That's why I use another account, and I knew I created a new one account, so that's why I fix na sa aking disable. So that will be my next tutorial kung paano natin ma-resolve yung ating na-disable na account. So, po YouTube account kung bakit tayo na-disable. So, yun po yung tips ko sa inyo guys. Sa mga baguhan pa lang na mag-apply sa Google AdSense o yung ako kay Google AdSense na hindi pa nakukumpleto ang aking requirements. Ayan, nag-apply ako last year. August po yan, nag-apply ako ng aking Google AdSense, which is not completed my requirements, the 1,000 bananas and then 4,000 watch hour. So nag-apply na po ako niyan, and then that what will happen na-disable kasi gumamit ako ng another account, which is I forgot the password and the email ad. So which is not correct guys, na gamit tayo ng isa pang account. So yan, sa vlog na ito ay bawal po na gumamit tayo ng isang account o maging dalawa o tatlo. So sa pag-sign up ng Google AdSense, one account lang po ang pwede natin gamitin kasi malilito si Google AdSense kung sino ba talaga yung may-ari ng account na yun. So kailangan isang account lang po para ma-detect niya na isa lang talaga ang may-ari. So yun po, na-disable. Bakit na-disable yung account natin guys? So today's vlog is about bakit na-disable ang ating account. So I will show you my sample guys. I will show you the sample of a disabled account. So let's go. Before that guys, before na pakita ko sa inyo, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please give me a like, a good comment, and please subscribe, and also click the tiny bell button para lagi po kayo updated sa aking new vlogs. So thank you so much guys, please keep on watching, and I hope na i-apply nyo rin po ito para soon kayo naman po ang mabilis na ma-approve ni Google AdSense. So tips lang po, one use account para hindi magkaroon ng problema. So all disabled account, alright, as you can see guys, that is my account, E.VlogChannel. Alright, I don't have the copyright strike, copyright content. Okay, I don't have the community guidelines strike. So complete po siya guys. So this is my sample disabled account. Before I have disabled account, I have only one account guys. I only one have account, the E.VlogChannel. Okay, so as you can see, this is only the picture. Okay, that is only the picture guys. Okay, this is my disabled account. So yan po guys, ang reason bakit nadi-disable ang ating account, simply because you think of one or more another account sa pag-sign up sa Google AdSense. So tips ko lang po sa inyo guys para hindi tayo ma-disable. Okay, use one single account to sign up the Google AdSense. So yan po guys, yan. Pero hindi na po yan disable syempre kasi po yung ating channel is already monetized and meron na rin po siyang ads. So dahil sa na-receive ko po yan, na disable, pero that time na nakompleto ko na ang aking public watch hour and then complete 1,000 subscriber. Yan, nagkaroon po ng email sa akin si Google AdSense how to fix my AdSense. So this one is disabled, and then before not enable, and then after that naging enable na rin siya. So ganyan siya guys. So bawal po tayo gumamit ng dalawang account sa pag-sign up sa Google AdSense. Yan. So ito siya guys. Yan, as you can see, yan ang aking account, na-disable siya before, pero okay na po dahil na-fix na po natin ang ating problem sa tulong na rin ng ating mga kaibigan na YouTuber. So thank you so much din po dahil nagkaroon po ako ng idea o binigyan nila ako ng idea. Based on my experience then through YouTube, I watched the tutorial also how to fix my disabled account. So that's it guys, this is my tutorial for you how to fix your disabled account. Okay, next time I will show you how to fix the disabled account. So that's it guys. Don't forget my tips para hindi tayo ma-disable account sa ating monetization channel. Sa ating YouTube channel guys. So that's it. Okay. So as you can see, ito ang aking Google AdSense. So yan, ang aking Google AdSense. Okay, nagkaroon ako dyan ng problema dahil sa pag-sign up o paggamit ng another account. Okay, that's it guys. So na-fix ko na po yan, kaya na-monetize na ang aking channel. So that's it guys, thank you so much. Hope you like my vlog today, and don't forget my tips only para soon hindi kayo ma-disable sa inyong account. So that's it guys, thank you so much. Hope you like it, and you can also apply it to your own account. Alright, bye bye and God bless. Don't forget to like, good comment, and also share my daily tutorial, and also subscribe that's it. Bye bye. Hope you like it, and God bless.